This is page 33 of the theory book, number 1. The top of the page is sight reading exercises, and I will tell you about those in just a moment. First, I'd like to play the game on the bottom with you, and then you can watch the video at the end about the sight reading exercises. Okay, so this game at the bottom says your teacher will play 2 notes for each example. The second note will be a half step higher or lower than the first note. Draw a sharp in front of the second note if it is higher. Draw a flat in front of it if it is lower. So here is a sharp sign. Looks like a little tic-tac-toe. Here is a flat sign. Looks like a squished B. All right, so I'm going to play this F, and then I'll play a note that's either higher or lower. So let's do the first one as a practice. So here is F, and then I'll play this note that's just a little bit higher. That's called an F sharp. So you should draw a sharp sign right before that note. Okay, so that sharp sign goes right there. Draw that in. All right, now for number 2, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes and try to figure out if I'm playing higher or lower. So close your eyes. Here's my first note. Here's my second note. Now open your eyes. Could you tell if my note went up or down? The correct answer was up. I played F and then F sharp, just like the first example. So you will draw a sharp sign here before that second note. All right. Anytime you need to pause the video to give yourself more time, do that. I'm going on to number 3. So close your eyes. Here's my first note and my second note. Okay, you can open your eyes. Could you tell if that note went higher or lower? The correct answer is lower. I played G and then G flat. So you'll need to write a flat sign before this note. All right, there's the flat. So it goes right in between those 2 notes. Okay, moving on to number 4. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Could you tell if it went higher or lower? The correct answer is higher. I played an E. Let's see, can you see that on your video? Let me scoot this over. Seems like it didn't show up. Okay, I played an E and then an E sharp, which coincidentally is also called an F. But we are going to write E sharp here. So put a sharp sign before that note. Okay, pause the video if you need to, but I'm going on to number 5. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Could you tell if I went higher or lower? The correct answer is lower. I played C and then C flat. And that also is called B, but in this case we are going to call it C flat. It has more than one name. So you put a flat sign before that note. I hope you can see that. The flat sign goes right there. Okay, number 6. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Could you tell if I went higher or lower? The correct answer was lower. I played G and then G flat. Okay, so you will write a flat sign before that note, in between there. Okay, if you're finding these hard to do, then consider this really good practice, and you will get better and better at hearing this. Okay, number 7, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Could you tell if I went higher or lower? The correct answer is higher. I played D, then D sharp. So you need to write a sharp sign before that second note. Okay, pause the video if you need to. I'm going on to number 8. We have 2 left. All right, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Could you tell if I went higher or lower? The correct answer is lower. I played A flat. So you'll write a flat sign right there before that second note. Okay, we have 1 left, and I want to give you a good chance of succeeding on this one, so let's practice a little bit. I want you to hear me go higher. That's higher. That went higher. That That went higher. Now I'm going to do some that go lower. That went lower. Lower. That went lower. Okay, you ready for number 9? Close your eyes. Last time. Okay, open your eyes. Could you tell if it went higher or lower? The correct answer is lower. I played A flat. So you will write a flat sign for that note right there. Okay, so now you are finished with this game. You can always listen to it again if you want more practice. But now I'd like to tell you about sight reading these at the top. And you can get these instructions and you can try it right now, or you can always just do this in your regular practice time. Okay, it says to sight read the examples below. And sight read really just means play it without knowing what it sounds like. So you have to rely on what you see. So I'm going to give you a few hints to help you get started, but I will not play them for you because that would kind of ruin it. Letter A is for the right hand because it's in the treble clef and it starts on middle C. So you'll have your thumb on middle C. We play a C, rest, C sharp, rest. Okay, C and then C sharp. And we have a C stepping up, got finger 5, stepping down to a sharp, and then we skip down. All right, those are all the clues you're going to get on that one. You can pause the video if you like and try it right now or wait until later. I'll go on to letter B. This one is for the left hand because it's in bass clef. And again, we're going to start at middle C. So your left hand thumb will be on middle C. We step down to a B flat. So you're going to step down to a black key. Back to your C, have a rest. This is C, and then we jump down a 4th. It's not just a regular skip, it's a 4th. Then you step back up, and then we step down to a black key and back up. Okay, good luck with that one. Letter C now is for the right hand again because it's treble clef. This time we don't start on C. Instead, this is treble in the space, spell the word face, F. So you'll put your thumb on F. And you can see that we step up and down and back up to a black key. Then we start on F again, step up, skip down, skip up to a black key, and step down. All right, pause the video right now if you want to try that while those clues are fresh in your mind. Good luck.